In this video, we will learn how to get more information on creatives you are interested in and get insights into the entire ad campaign. In the previous video tutorial, we demonstrated the use of filters, sliders, and sorting methods to find the creatives of interest. Once you find the creatives you are looking for, you can dig deeper into each creative by clicking anywhere on the highlighted area of the creative to open a multi-tab panel that contains all the details as shown on your screen. Let's understand each tab in more detail. The leftmost tab is the Synopsis tab that gives you a comprehensive view on the creative. You will find following information on this tab. Creative video. You can play the video by hitting the play button. Video player controls. Total likes received by the creative. Total comments received by the creative. Total shares received by the creative. Total downloads of the creatives. Total bookmarks. Total views or impressions for the creative. Full screenshot button that opens a full-length screenshot of the landing page. URL chains, if available. If there are multiple URL redirects from the creative to the landing page, all the URL directs can be seen by clicking this button as shown on your screen, where there is one redirect from bit.ly URL shortener service to the product landing page. Advertiser name and handle. Platform shows landing page platform if detected. Like rate parameter, which is the ratio of total likes to total views in the percentage format. Age targeting. If the creative is targeted towards a specific age group, it is shown here. OS targeting. This will be either Android or iOS. Ad creation date. This is the date on which the ad was created by the advertiser. Please note that this is not same as the date first seen parameter, which is the date on which the ad was first seen by Anstrex platform. Tik-Tok URL. This is the URL of TikTok's site that embeds and displays the creative. Clicking on the URL will open the TikTok page in a new tab. Clicking on the copy icon next to it will copy the full URL in your device buffer. LP URL, URL of the final landing page. Clicking on the URL will open the landing page in a new tab. Clicking on the copy icon next to it will copy the full URL in your device buffer. Button color. This is the hex color code of the CTA button chosen by the advertiser for this creative. Button display, duration. This is the duration in seconds after which the CTA button is displayed on the creative. CTA button text. This shows the text on the CTA button. Sample CTA button as seen on the actual ad. Please note that in some cases when a graphical banner is found along with CTA button, it will also be captured and displayed in this area as shown in the example on your screen. Next tab is the Analytics tab. This tab shows various analytics charts for the creative and the campaign. On the top of this tab, you will find 4 charts pertaining to the creative. The first chart contains total likes for the creatives as a function of time. The second chart contains the total impressions or views for this particular creative as a function of time. Please note that you can use the zoom scroll bar to zoom in and out for both these charts. The third chart contains total number of comments and total shares the creative has received over time. Lastly, the fourth pie chart shows the percent share of views or impressions that this particular creative has received compared to all the other creatives from the same advertiser. At the bottom of the tab, you will find 2 additional charts pertaining to the entire campaign, meaning all the ads from this particular advertiser. The bar chart on the left of your screen shows the number of ads that were created by the advertiser over a period of time. The line chart on the right of the screen shows the total number of impressions or views from all the creatives from this particular advertiser. Again, You can use the zoom scroll bar for both these charts to zoom in and out. The next tab is Other Ads tab. This tab shows all the other ads or creatives from the current advertiser. Here are the items seen on this tab. Drop-down filter for sorting all the creatives in a specific order. Drop-down geo filter to see creatives targeted for specific country. The listing of the creatives shows all the important details for each creative. Clicking on any of the creatives on this tab will open a new multi-tab panel for that particular creative. The next tab is Landing Pages tab. If the advertiser is using multiple landing pages for the campaign, all the landing pages are shown on this tab. Here are various items found on this tab. Copy URL. Button. This button will copy the URL of the landing page in the device buffer. Visit Page button. This button will open the particular landing page in a new tab. Geo flag icon. This icon will show the target country for the landing page. Clicking on the landing page thumbnail image will open a full-size screenshot of the landing page in a modal window. Next tab is Geo tab. This tab shows the geo distribution of the entire campaign. You will find on this tab geo distribution pie chart and geo distribution table that shows the name of the country and % traffic from each. The last tab is the Age tab. This tab shows the target age distribution of the entire campaign. You will find on this tab Age Distribution Pie Chart Age Distribution Table that shows the target age group and % traffic from each. Please note that you can open each multi-tab panel in a separate browser window by clicking on this button. This comes in handy when you want to compare multiple ad campaigns and want to retain panels in the browser window. With this, we conclude this video tutorial, which covered getting a detailed overview of the creative of interest and getting an insight into the entire campaign from the same advertiser. We will meet again in the next video tutorial. Until then, cheers!